that a lot owner has obtained a permit from council to turn their garage into a bathroom, but did not advise the owners corporation. So now that the renovation has actually been completed, what should they do?
So in that regard, my belief would be that changing a garage to a bathroom would require a building permit. So my understanding would be that they would have needed to inform the owners corporation of the works. Obviously they didn't. So therefore, potentially they breached the Owners Corporations Act. So the Owners Corporation could follow Part 10 of the Owners Corporations Act, which is the dispute resolution section of the Act, and that is issuing a breach notice to the owner. But it may be futile because they've already done the works, and therefore the Owners Corporation could look to go to VCAT. I guess the question that has to be asked is, what is VCAT going to, determine in regard to the situation? Are they going to turn around saying, well, it's illegal, you can't do that? If council has provided approval for the works to proceed, it may be, VCAT may side with council saying, well, it's fine. There's also another requirement that stipulates if you change the use of a lot, that it affects the insurance taken out by the Owners Corporation, then you could be liable for, you need to inform the Owners Corporation, and potentially with this actually changes to the Owners Corporations Act coming in as of the 1st of December, as you mentioned before, Nikki. So that's going to require an individual lot owner, if they do change the use of a lot that affects the insurance premium, they're responsible for the increase in the insurance premium themselves. So something to be mindful of.
Okay.